Hello guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can enable or disable Steam networking that shares your IP address in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to enable or disable Steam networking, then this video is for you. So guys, just go ahead and open your Steam app first. Once you're in the app, just log in. As you can see, I have already logged in, so all I need to do is just open settings. So you can either just go to Steam right here and tap on preference, or you can just use command and comma and you can open settings. Guys, after you're in Steam settings, just scroll down till you find in-game over here. That's right between cloud and controller. And once you're here, you can see options like the Steam overlay, screenshots, and more. So at the bottom, you can find Steam networking. So right here is the button that helps you enable and disable Steam networking. So just if you tap on never, you can just disable it. But if you want Steam networking in certain platforms for your friends, or always or default, then it's your choice completely. You can choose whatever you want, and this way you can successfully enable or disable Steam networking to share your IP address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.